Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a really nice knife from GANZO or Firebird, like they have rebranded their production knife series or offering. We will be talking about the model FH11 BK, and BK stands for black, of course. You can get this knife also with carbon fiber scales or green G10. This is the black G10 version. And also what I got in the package with it was just a package of white. Really interesting. So this is some kind of filler material, I would say. Some kind of foam, but it has a stock number. Really interesting. Okay, but let's continue. So we have here the standard GANZO box. Here is also the sticker from the warehouse and some information on the company. And let's see what we have here. So, okay. Standard packaging includes a nice GANZO for storage, little bag, some silica gel, not always, and here's the knife itself. So finally we have a Kwaiken design from GANZO for a really good price. And also what I have to show you right now, the blade is made out of D2. So finally, I don't know if all knives from the new series will have D2 blade steel, but this one has, and which is really nice to see. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the fit and finish. So right from the start, when I picked up the knife, and this is how it came from the company or from the seller, I had to do nothing to it. So it was not over drenched with oil. The flipping action was dialed in perfectly nice, 100% opening, lock engagement. Look at the centering, perfect, smooth. So this is how all knife should come from your dealer or from your manufacturer. We have few informations on the blade. So here is the Firebird logo, and I'm glad that they are only putting the logo there and not also Firebird. But then on the other side we have Firebird knife made by GANZO. So this, okay, it can be there, but it is probably not that important. Also we have the model number, of course, and D2 blade steel. I could not find anywhere on the blade that it is made of China, so they are not putting it on the blade itself. Only it is made by GANZO. Okay, so let's see what are the specifications very quickly. We have a overall length of 20.5 centimeters or 8.07 inch, and the handle is made out of G10 with nested steel liners. They are not milled out, which in my opinion is a little bit disappointment, because GANZO has done it in the past, and this could also really made a little bit of weight difference, but not on this one. As you can see, this is lock engagement, this is a liner lock. The blade, as I mentioned, is made out of D2, excellent, probably Chinese D2 of course, but nevertheless it is D2, so it will have a better performance than just your standard Chinese 440C. The blade length is 8.7 centimeters or 3.4 inch. The width of the blade is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch, and the blade thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.118 inch. The weight of the knife is 112 grams or 3.96 ounces. It has a really nice contoured or 3D milled scale or scales, as you can see here, and also the Firebird logo is engraved here at the end of the scale. You have a partial backspacer, which is also functioning as your lanyard attachment point, so there are no drilled out holes here. And what I'm really happy to see that they are using a deep carry pocket clip made out of softer metal, so this will protect your pants, and it has enough room for all your heavy duty pants or trousers or duty gear. So excellent option, GANZO right there. We have a satin polished hardware pivot screw on the both sides. We have jimping on the flipper tab, which is not that aggressive, so you can play with this knife if you like, and it will not damage your finger like some other knives. It has a medium detent, but really nicely dialed in. Excellent. So excellent, super smooth. This is a really nice gift option if you want to give somebody their first flipper and you want that the person will like the flippers and start their collection, or just use it as a EDC, because this is a well functioning EDC style blade. You will have no problems with sharpening. Okay, so now let's talk about the pricing. So when these started appear on eBay, they costed around 36 from 34, 32 to $36. Now when you are looking on, or if you are doing your homework and when you are searching around, then you can get them for around 28, and they can drop as low as 21. So if you can get it for 21, just do it and don't even think about it. For $21, this is an extremely well built, well executed design. So I will try to link you in the description if you are interested in this knife. Like I mentioned, there are 3 variants, so black, dark green, and carbon fiber. And let's see a few size comparisons. So firstly, I have here the Delica 4 from Spyderco, obviously smaller than the Endura, which is a larger knife. The Kershaw Blur from Kershaw, of course. This is a little bit smaller. And if you're interested how a large reptilian looks like compared with this knife, then here you go. They're almost the same size. Just for having a little bit blue in the video, here's a small reptilian. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.